ID or anything?
Yeah, I called the guy.
Follow through.
At the neck. Put your hand on it like that, and the V of your hand should be running straight up the racket. And everyone repeat after me. That's my continental grip. Okay, everyone stand. Time this month that you're on the continental training court and I catch you without the grip, you will do kangaroo jumps or star catchers. Okay? There's your, how many balls do you have on this one? All right, let's do it. Come on.
See that? In the elbow. Okay? So everybody go back to